Previously on Dementia Part 1.
Dementia is a group of diseases that affects cognitive function. It's a mental health issue and a public health issue. Dementia is a group of diseases that affects how a man thinks, how he reasons, how his mood can change as if he's no more a normal person again. Dementia is not a disease of men alone. Dementia can happen to both men and women. In fact, dementia occurs more in women than in men, but it manifests more in men.
If you haven't watched it, then go and watch Part 2.
I have seen several different kinds of dementia on people. One day I was watching a skit. I saw where a white man, his children, the man was having dementia and his children were encouraging him, telling him that what he's having is dementia. You know why it's important to educate our people is that here we don't know, we call it juju, we call it another thing. But there we call it, they know that it is dementia, yes?
Is this dementia, is it the same thing as madness?
No, dementia is not actually madness. Madness is different from dementia, but it will mimic madness. It will look as if the person is running mad. Okay, but actually it is not madness, pure madness, but it mimics it. Okay, so a white man was having it and the children were encouraging him. They will say he wants to go home. They will tell him that you are in your house. What you are having is dementia. It's a temporary thing. It can happen sometimes and you get yourself again. We will call your doctor. Your doctor is on his way. He will come and assess you again and give you your medications. You will be fine. That day you will be fine. The man is saying no. The man will talk. The man will say no. They will encourage him. There is a viral video I was watching one day that happened in Nigeria, okay, where a woman was accused of using juju to marry the husband for 30 years. So the man all of a sudden developed dementia and he lost the memory of his wife and his children and his home. So he was telling the wife, I don't know you. I don't know you. He was telling the children, I don't know you. So people came and started videoing them and started stigmatizing the family that the woman must have used juju to marry the man. A marriage that has lasted for 30 years. So they accused the woman of using juju, that the juju has expired. The man has gotten himself and he doesn't know the wife again. He doesn't even know the children he has had for 30 years. So I watched this video. I pitied the family because people were videoing and talking, stigmatizing this poor woman, stigmatizing the family. I felt so sad. So this is one of the things that motivated me to give this head talk on dementia, so that I will expose this dementia for our people to know it. That is why it's important for you to share it. So people with dementia can say anything. They will lose the memory of their home. They will want to go home. They may lose the memory of anything they do in the past. They may lose the memory of the names of their children. They may call another person's name. So all these things, when you see your father or your mother start behaving like that, don't be angry with him. So just take him to a hospital where a mental state examination will be done and he will be given the necessary drugs for dementia, and he will now regain his memory, regain his thinking, cognition, and all that. Are you understanding me? So don't think that don't carry your father or your mother to a prayer house that is an attack. It's not an attack. It's a medical condition. It's a mental health issue called the dementia. So don't carry him to a native doctor that they have done him juju. They have done him juju. No, it is not. It's a mental health issue. Okay, so if we understand all these things, there are so many things that will happen and we will exactly understand what it is, the way the white people are understanding it. In my last video, I talked about urinary incontinence. I mentioned how we should understand with our mothers when they are pouring urine in our houses. So if you have not watched it, you should also go and watch it. And other videos we have made in the past, you go and watch it. So it's very, very important. If you actually enjoyed this topic, please do the needful. Share it to the people that can also enjoy from it and learn. Thank you very much.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.